Hello, fifth graders. I hope you found some fun in the test for chapter 13. And now we are going to learn chapter 14. Surface area and volume. Let's talk about some shapes before we get into the chapter. First, cylinder. By looking at the picture, it's very easy to get what a cylinder is. We have a lot of items like our water bottles, our some of our pencils, and our toilet paper rolls. A lot of items in our lives are in cylinder shapes. It's easy to recognize, but let's talk about let's use English words to describe it so that we know what we are talking about. It says here, a cylinder has two circular flat surfaces. These are the circular flat surfaces, two circles. They're flat, not curved. These are called bases. The top one can be base 2, and the bottom one can be called base. We talked about that in triangle. Each side can be called the base. Here in the cylinder, each flat surface can be called the base. Doesn't have to be the one that touches the one at the bottom. And these two bases are congruent and parallel. Congruent means exactly the same. Parallel means you're not going to meet. The distance between these two faces are the same, just like parallel lines. These two bases are joined by a curved surface. Curved means not flat. So this is a cylinder. A cylinder has no edges or vertices. It does not have a straight side or a point. A sphere. Sphere is a ball shape. It has a smooth, curved surface. It does not have edges or vertices. If there is a line that goes through its center, and there's another line that goes through its center, from this side to the other side, the distance is always the same. So it's the same distance across for any line that goes through its center. This is a sphere. Curved face. All right, cone. We are not unfamiliar with cone shape, ice cream cones, right? A cone has one circular, which is here, this is a circle, one circular flat face, or the base of it, and a curved surface. Here's the vertex. I didn't label the curved surface, but it goes all around like that. And it has one vertex. This is a cone. This is a cube. For a cube, this is the vertex. Here, the point. This is the edge. Here, the straight side, the line. And this is the base. Here, the flat surface. My question is, how many bases in a cube? How many edges in a cube? And how many vertices in a cube? I have put these questions on your homework sheet. I want you to count and answer the questions. You can get a cube from your toys, or you can count the picture. Remember that like this space and this space, these two bases, share one edge. Remember, you don't count a shared edge or a shared vertex more than one time. All right. Later in the chapter, we are going to talk about volume. Some units of measure we use for volume are liters and milliliters. Where's my pen? We call 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. And in this picture, the pitcher holds 1 liter of liquid. So the liquid is up here, 1 liter. And we can say that the volume of the liquid in the pitcher is 1 liter. However, the pitcher can hold a little more water, right? So the capacity of the pitcher is more than 1 liter. So when we talk about volume of liquid, we talk about the actual liquid. When we talk about the capacity, we talk about the ability for the pitcher to hold liquid. If the pitcher has just half, it is half filled, then the capacity is the same, but the volume of liquid would be different. If it's half filled, the volume would be 500 milliliters.